In this video, I'll show you how to get an auto insurance quote from AAA online. And if you're new to AAA, we'll include our referral link in the description below so you can sign up and start enjoying member benefits right away. To start, open the website, acg.aaa.com. Then click on Get a Quote. Next, on the field provided, enter your street address, city and state. Once entered, you will be asked if you lived on the stated address for less than 3 years. Click on the option that applies to you. Then, on the fields provided, enter all the necessary primary policyholder information, such as the first and last name, email address, date of birth, marital status, gender, and preferred contact number. After entering all the following information needed, click on the checkbox beside I am not a robot. Then click on Continue. Next, you will be asked information about the vehicle you wish to get a quotation. Click on Add a Vehicle. To add the vehicle, you could choose to enter the year, make, and model of the vehicle you wish to add or use the vehicle identification number. Now you will see that your vehicle has been added. If you wish to add more, click on Add a Vehicle, then repeat the steps on how to add one. Otherwise, click on Continue. After that, you will be asked to provide more details about your vehicle. Answer all the questions provided by clicking on the option that applies to you. Then click on Continue. To proceed, click on Continue. Next, you will be asked to provide information about an additional driver. If you wish to do so, click on Add a Driver. Otherwise, click on Continue. Then on this page, you will be asked more questions about yourself that will help them find discounts for your quote. Click on the options that applies to you. Then click on Continue. Next, you will be asked if you had any auto accidents, claims or tickets in the last 5 years. Click on the option that applies to you. Then click on Continue. On this page, click on Continue. After that, you will be asked for a few more details. Answer all the questions by clicking on the option that applies to you. Then click on Continue. On this page, you will be asked to provide the primary driver of the vehicle and its usage details. Once entered, click on Continue. Next, select the driver who will participate in the auto insurance. Then click on Continue. On this page, you can check if you qualify for any discounts on your policy. From the list of AAA products shown, click on the checkbox beside the AAA product you currently have. Then click on Continue. Lastly, review and verify all the information provided to get the most accurate quote as possible. Once reviewed and if everything looks good, click on the checkbox beside the text that says you authorize AAA to collect and review personal information about you. Then click on Continue. That's how you get an auto insurance quote from AAA online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.